How to fix WhatsApp messages not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here here we'll find WhatsApp. Click on it and first click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, click on it, and then go to permissions, check this one here, storage, click on it and allow it. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, come back here to data usage and check all of those here, enable all of those here. Background data, maybe you'll find it like that, just enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.